Welcome to BoldSign eSignature. This video will guide you on redirecting signers to a specific URL after signing a document using BoldSign. Redirecting signers to a specific URL after signing is essential, as it provides access to significant additional information and resources that were not present in the signature request document. It's helpful in scenarios such as confirming contract terms and providing easy access to essential post-signing information. Let's consider a scenario where an HR manager needs to send an employment contract to a newly hired employee. Also, the HR manager needs to redirect the employee to an onboarding portal immediately after the employment contract is signed. This portal lets employees access key information like company policies, team introductions, and HR documents. Let me demonstrate how to do that in detail. To start this process, the first step is to access the BoldSign application page. Here I'll expand the settings menu. Then choose the branding option to navigate to the Manage Brand page. I click the context menu and select the Edit Brand option to access the Edit Brand page. Next, I navigate to the Advanced section and move to the Redirect to URL on the document completion option. To include the URL specifically after the completion of the document, I'll activate this option. This allows me to enter the required URL exclusively for redirecting to the onboarding portal. I then save my changes by clicking the Save Changes button. Whenever the HR manager uses this Q-Flakes brand, signers will be automatically redirected to the URL specified once they complete the signing process. The HR manager needs to send the employee contract form to the newly hired employee for signature. To do this, I click the Create New button and select Create New Document. This takes me to the Prepare Document page, where I first upload the employee contract form. Next, I enter the employee's details in the Add Recipient section. Then scroll down to the document settings and select Q-Flakes as the brand. Once that's done, I click the Next button to guide me to the Configure Fields page. This is where the needed configuration of the form fields is done. Within the Employee Details section, I will organize the form by dragging and dropping the name and email fields into their respective slots, ensuring that the name and email details are appropriately placed. Next, I drag and drop the signature and date sign fields for signature and date, respectively. Before sending the document out for signature, I'll take a moment to review all the changes I've made, ensuring everything is in order. I'll then send it out for signature once I'm satisfied with the document setup. Let's consider switching to the signer's side and see how redirecting signers to a specific URL feature works. When I click the Review and Sign button in the Signature Request email, I am navigated to the signing page. The name, email, and date fields are automatically populated. Here I need to review the contract details and add the signature. I click the Complete Signing button to complete the signing process. Upon clicking the Complete Signing button, I am redirected to the onboarding portal page. That summarizes how to redirect signers to a specific URL after signing a signature request. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.